Chris Corvette here, and you already know what time it is. Let me tell you about the time I turned an Amazon box, a Crenshaw t-shirt, and a few bandanas into a matching custom bag for an outfit. So picture this. I had this amazing outfit planned out, but I needed a bag to complete the look. Did I have a bag that matched? No. Did I have an extra $100 to go out and buy a bag that matched? No. So I did what any creative and resourceful person would do. I raided my closet and my Amazon delivery pile. Next, I took one of my extra Crenshaw t-shirts, cut it up into strips to cover the cardboard. Now, I had some extra webbing laying around, and I used those bad boys to make the handle. But wait, there's more. I had a bandana that perfectly matched my outfit, so I used that to add some extra flair to the bag. Stitched it together with the Crenshaw t-shirt to continue to wrap around the cardboard. I also added an extra layer of thick vinyl to add protection so, the bandana and t-shirt wouldn't get dirty. Including the original tag with just a little extra seasoning. I think it came out super cute and went great with the photo shoot. You already know the drill. Couture conversation, wardrobe wisdom, no wahala. Okay, bye.